Hello everyone and welcome. There's an old saying that great things come in small packages. Well, this little light right here epitomizes that saying. Have you been looking for a small compact light with the power and features of a bigger light? Well, I think I have the perfect light for you right here, so let's get into it. Today we're going to be looking at the LED task light from NextLED. A while back I did a review of a NextLED undercar work light. I'll put a link up to that video in the corner so you can go see that video later on. I found that light to be very useful, so I decided to look into other products from NextLED. I got a few more lights from NextLED to review, but today we'll be focusing on this small but powerful task light. So let's unbox this bad boy and see what we have here. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce another tool or product review video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. This is an easy unboxing. Just pop it open and out it comes. Alright, so what do we have here? You get the owner's manual with all the instructions and stuff inside. I suggest you read through that. You get the power cable. You get a belt clip, and you get the light itself. And this light is very compact. This was an Amazon purchase, link in description below. And this little light retails for $28.99, but there is a coupon at the making of this video on their Amazon page, so you can get it even lower. Now let me get this up closer so you can get a better look at it. This is a very small light. So I have to get it really close so you guys can see it better. But to give you an idea how small it is, look at that. It fits in the palm of my hand. Now the dimensions on this are 4.5 inches in length, 1 3/4 inches in width, and only 1/2 inch thick. It is really small and compact. And it only weighs 4 ounces. Now this is basically a flashlight, a task light, and a battery bank. Right here, you can hook it up and charge up other units that you have with you, like a cell phone, tablet, computer, whatever you want. This has a 1 watt LED flashlight spotlight, and this will run from 100 to 300 lumens, and it runs up to 7 hours. It is also dimmable, so the switch on the side, you have a switch right here to turn it on and off, and the switch has 2 settings, low and high. But if you hold the switch, it is dimmable. So you can go anywhere in that range from 0 to 300 lumens, and it does have a memory. So whatever you leave it on, you turn it off, you click it back on, it'll go right back where you left it off. So you don't need to worry about, if you're in a situation where you want only a limited amount of lighting, you don't need to worry about clicking it back on and being blinded by a flood of light. It'll give you exactly what you had previously. So then you can choose later what you want. And then you also have the cob, which is a 5 watt cob and task light, and it produces 500 lumens, and it'll run for 3 hours. Now this runs on a 3.7 volt, 1500 milliamp hour battery. It has an aluminum body. This is not plastic, this is aluminum. It is impact resistant, so if you were to drop it, it will come right back. It is IPX4 water resistant, so this is excellent for use indoors or outdoors. You can use this camping, take it anywhere you want. So, good for camping, toolboxes, bug out bags, emergency use, whatever you need, this little light can be right there with you. The integrated battery bank is good for charging, like I said, phone, tablets, whatever, anything that your standard USB cable can hook up to. It also has a strong magnetic base that you can charge up to anything that is, metal, ferrous, iron, that kind of thing. And it has a 3-hour recharge time, and the illumination rate on this for the cob or the flashlight, you're looking at 100 meters or 300 feet, which is really good. So if you look at this in terms of camping, you can, take it with you anywhere you want, light up your path as you're walking. You may be able to actually put it onto a baseball cap or a hat or something like that and use it as a headlamp. It does have a really nifty clip, which works as a belt clip, as you can see right there. It works as a belt clip. It also has a really nifty integrated hook. You just pop it open and you can see right there, it is a hook, so you can hang up this light anywhere you want. So let's put this right on the back here. and it has an opening right on the back. You just attach it right on there. There we go. It certainly helps if you can look at it properly and hook it up in there, but it's very easy. Two little notches on there, slip it in, turn it, and you're good to go. And like you see, you have your belt clip. Just open and close it, attach it to your belt, hat, whatever you want, and your hook. So you can just hook it up, hang it wherever you want. Hang it from any kind of thing you want, a cloth line or, a cord, anywhere at all. Very, very easy to do. And if you want to, you can also use it to prop it up. If you want to, do some reading or something, or, whatever it is you want to light up the area, use it to prop up the area, whatever you want. So you can lay it down or prop it up with this back here, like that. You can lean it against something, like that. It'll stand it up for you perfectly. So very convenient little hook right here on the back, multiple different uses to it. If you're going to put it on a hat, putting it on the bill of a hat like that, you could just clip it right on there, and while it won't light up forward, it'll light up facing down, so at least you won't trip over rocks or anything else as you're walking down a path. So very convenient on that. It has the plug up here for charging it under this rubber tab. Right there, you can see that's where you charge it up, and it takes 3 hours to charge it from fully drained to fully charged up. And a really neat little feature that it has an LED right here that lights up. When it's drained and you're recharging it, it lights up red. When it's fully charged, it'll light up green. Here you have the power button on the side here, and here you have your full-size USB to use it as a battery bank. Down here, you can see the magnetic base, and it is really a strong base. If you hook it onto something like that, you can see it does not come off. You can shake it, and it does not come off. It'll hold up really, really well. So how is the lighting on this? Let's find out. Like I said, 3 settings on the button for ease of use. You have low, medium, cob, task, whatever you want to call it. So let me turn off this light right here and see exactly what we can do. But I'm going to show you a little better in a minute. So first light, that's low setting. That's the high setting. This is the flashlight. If you can see right there, I don't want to blind the camera too much. And then the next setting is cob or task light. So that's pretty good right there. So let's go see some scenarios where this would be quite useful. Okay guys, to give you an impression of what this little light can do, let's darken up my garage shop right here and see exactly how much light this puts up in a big open area like this. So let me turn off the lights and I'll show you right now. Okay, here we are. So we're ready to go. So first, like I said, I'm going to show you the 3 notches that are built into the on-off switch, which is, first of all, that's low light right there, the flashlight. You can see it lights up very nicely. Low, that's high. That is pretty good light right there. If you're walking down a path or something and you need to light up something, that is really powerful. 300 lumens goes a long way on this. Now let's see the task or cob, what that does. Look at that, it lights up the whole room very nicely. If you needed just general lighting to cover up an area that you need something to be done, that gives you really good lighting right there. And let me show you right there, that's the cob. You can see that's the bottom light right there. And I'll click it off, and then you can see that's the flashlight, high beam flashlight, and then the cob right there. So you see it lights up very, very nicely. Look at that, very good lighting. Okay guys, so let's say you want to work on the engine bay of your car and you don't have any other lights convenient available to you. So you pull out this little task light and let's see what it does. Under the engine bay, how much light does it produce? Well, there you go. That is your low beam on the flashlight. You need to look around for something, you can find it. That is your high beam. Gives you a lot more directional light exactly where you need it to go. You need to fix something, find a spark plug, find a loose wire, anything, it'll light it up. You want more lighting, turn on the cob. Look at that. That is an excellent light to light up your work area. You need to work on something, and it has a magnetic base. So all you do is click it onto the side there, and you're good to go. It'll light up anything you need it to light up right there. Just put it on the side of the engine bay, and you're good to start working. So that is very practical right there. Or how about, let's say you're broken down on the side of the road and there's very little light. You can barely see what you need to do. Well, you pull out your little task light, which you should carry around in your pocket, in your glove box, in your trunk, in your toolbox, anywhere at all. You can pull it out and bam, you have light to be able to do whatever you need to do. And that is the low beam. That is the high beam. And what about the task light? There you go. Now, you need to change a flat tire. Look at that. You got plenty of light to see anything you need to do. Put it on the ground facing up. Put it on your fender, pointing right down at you. You can put it anywhere you need, and you can change a tire in the pitch black darkness anywhere out on the road if you break down and you need to do some repairs. This compact little light is really convenient to keep in the trunk of your car, your glove box, anywhere. And women, it's very convenient to put it in your purse. Very lightweight, compact, easy to carry in just about any purse. Need to work in some tight places inside your car, the interior of the car, under the dash of the car? Well, look at all the lighting that the Cobb will give you under the dash of the car. Look at all that perfect lighting, and it's so compact it won't bother you no matter where you put it. Now, how dark is it without this light? Let me turn it off and you'll see. There's no light whatsoever. You can't see anything. You need the spotlight? Click it on. Move it around, point it any direction you need to go. You need to see something specific, point the light wherever you need it to go. Very, very convenient. Cobb light or spotlight, wherever you need it to go, it'll point out the area for you perfectly. Okay guys, there you have it, the LED task light from NextLED, a very affordable yet compact and powerful flashlight and task light. Very convenient for emergency use, camping, tasks around the house, repairs in dark areas. Keep it in your purse, trunk of your car, bug out bag, toolbox, camping supplies, anywhere you think it'll be useful for you. I think when my wife sees this light, she's going to want one for herself. So I think this is a very compact, affordable, yet powerful LED light for just about any use you have for it. Check out their Amazon page for full details. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified of all future videos I produce. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.